Hi guys, so today's question is high access employees. So this is a medium level question and quite tricky question. So this has been solved, and let me take to a description of the problem. So the description says you have given a list of integers initially, okay, list of strings which contains the time in 24 hours format. Okay, you have given a 2D index array currently given as string of list of string like which has name access time with size n, and the time access time I0 represent the name of the employee and I1 represent the access time of the employee. All entry time are within the same day. The access time represent a 4-digit 24-hour format like 0800 to 24 or 22 like 1050. Okay, and employee is said to be high access employees if he has 3 or more access within 1 hour. In 1 hour, he must have swiped out or touched the pad 3 or more times. Times with exactly 1 hour difference are not considered the same. Means if an employee is accessed at 8 p.m. and then at 9 p.m., that is not considered. If he has swiped in at 8 p.m. and swiped out at 8:59, then it will be considered. Times with exactly 1 hour difference are not considered like this, which is he has said. So what you have to return? You have to return the high access employees, the employees which has 3 or more access within 1 hour. Means swiped out and swiped in anything within 1 hour, like starting from 8 to 9 p.m. For an example, he has swiped at 8:01, 8:20, and 8:25. So all these differences are within 59 minutes. So what I have done, like for a employee, we have 3 access time here. Like case one, let me to show you. I have taken as solved it via maps. So A has 3 access time, that is 549, 532, and 621. All are within the 1 hour. Okay, so I have before taking the solution, I have taken here the map and printed the map here std out to, and these times are in the I have converted into 24 hours formats, that is 5 into 60 and then plus 49 minutes. Similarly 4 into 60 plus 57 minutes. So at 332, 359, all are within less than equal to 59 minutes. So if you do, so what we have to do, we have to consider only three list. No, if there are three or more list, well and good, but at least three must be there. B will not be the answer of this because he must have 3 or more access within 1 hour. He have only 2 access. First, this thing we need to consider. Second, from the starting from index 1 to index this index, the time is within 1 hour. So 332 minus 349 is less than 59. Similarly, 332 minus 381 is less than 59. So obviously this will be before this time because I have sorted this list. So how I have solved it? So this is the initial for storage. So I have iterated the access time, which is a list of string. So one access time will give me one list. So after getting one list, I've stored it like if map dot contains, if it is at already has the key, like if a comes as for the first time, what we have to do, we have to go to the else and get the time first to store it in the value. Okay, how I converted the value for the first two characters, which is we need to multiply by 60. The next two character we need to add into b to get the time, and have created a new array list at the runtime. If it comes if it comes for the first time, then I have added that time a in the list and added in the value, and this key in the key. I have sorted it. So all the value related to the A employees are sorted, related to the B are sorted. If it is already there, this if loop. So what I have done, I have get the key and stored in the array list, and after storing in array list, I performed the same operation, calculated the time, and stored in the already the list we got. Like if A has 332 already stored, so now 349 will be stored, and I've stored in the I will do the sorting again. So in order to put them in a sorted order, so this map will contain the string and array list. Okay, string will contain the unique string of the name of the employer or anything, and array list the access time in 24 hour converted into 24-hour format. Okay, so after converting 24-hour formats, we need to see that it must be after iterating through map. So all the values are in the map. So what we have to do, first we have to get the value, so these values, and we have to play with these values. So first we need to consider that these value must be greater than equal to 3. Okay, then we have to go inside. If this is greater than equal to 3, then and then we have to iterate it. So I have taken two loop to iterate it. If we have come so this far, then we have to break the loop. Otherwise we have to do calculate the difference for this from this and this from this. So we have 3 access time within 1 hour. So what we have done, list math dot absolute list of j minus list of j plus 1 less than 59. Similarly, list of j minus j plus 2 must be less than 59 and count will be increased. If count is 1, that is the answer. We need not to go further if list is more bigger. So I will break the outer. So we got the answer, and count will never get increased if this value is not satisfied. If this satisfied, so count will be increased, and we need to add that key in the answer and break. So this is the answer question. Thank you.